This is our little B7200 four-wheel drive Kubota. We just got it this summer, and you might wonder why I buy used. I think there is still good value in used equipment. I've used this all over. If you've seen our food plot video, I'll put a link up here. We use this to do, we have a little 4-foot tiller, but we use this to do all the tilling, and then we used it to spread over the seed. We had, I can't remember what we used, some kind of piece of flat metal I think we used to coat all of our seed when we planted our clover in our food plot. But I still think you can find some really good deals, but you need to know what you're looking for, and you need to know the history on your equipment. Now, this piece of equipment was in the family, so I know it was taken care of by the individual we bought it from. But for a couple $1,000s, we got this little Kubota. It's with the bucket. It actually has a snowplow that is attached to it, but I wanted to just see how the bucket did this year, because sometimes just moving attachments in and out, on and off of equipment is difficult, especially when it's an older piece of equipment like this. But this has got a 3-point hitch. It's got a PTO, and it's a little subcompact. This is a great little tractor for around our farm. So I've really enjoyed using this so far. As you can tell, I really like plowing snow, even when we only get a couple inches. But since our driveway is dirt, if we don't get the snow off, when it melts down, it will turn to ice, and the driveway will just turn to slop. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like more videos like this, like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.